Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Wonderful day. I am Cuifeng, coming from China. My English name is Melissa. It is my great honor to attend this academic conference and report my research. My research topic is Instruction Teaching Support System and Teaching Competency in Applied Colleges, China. It is based on 20 years of teaching experiences and research interests from me. I will show it following four aspects. The first is the statement of the problems. The second is a summary of findings. The third is conclusions. The fourth is recommendations. Let's start it. First one, the research statement of the problems. It includes 7 problems. The first one, what is the profiles of the response in terms of teacher respondents and student respondents? Second, what is assessment of the teacher respondents in teaching support system of their school in terms of teaching management system, teaching conditions, teaching performance incentives, teaching skills training, teaching professional development? Third, is there a significant difference on the assessment of the teacher respondents in teaching support system when profile is taken as test factor? Fourth, what is the assessment of student respondents on the teacher's competency in teaching based on the following profiles: teacher ethics, curriculum comprehension, cognitive ability, classroom teaching skills, academic evaluation skills? 5. Is there a significant difference on the assessment of the student respondents in teaching competency when profile is taken as a test factor? 6. Is there a significant relationship between teachers' teaching competency and the teaching support system of their schools? 7. What development programs can be proposed based on the findings of the study? The second part is summary of findings. According to the research, we found these findings below. First one, respondents' profile. Teacher respondents are mostly male. The most frequent group was 26 to 35 years old. Many teachers have earned a bachelor's degree or master. Many teachers teach a list of 3-4 courses per year. In terms of student respondent, the majority are male. The student population most frequently was 21 to 25 years old. The largest number of students was from the second grade. 2. Assessment of the teacher respondents on the teaching support system. The findings indicated that teachers generally agreed that the teaching support system provided by the school and positively contributed to their daily teaching practice and professional growth. Of course, management system and training in teaching skills were considered the most effective support. This was followed by teachers' professional development, performance incentives, and teaching ways. Differences in the assessment of teacher respondents on the teaching support system according to their demographic profile. The findings showed that the teacher respondents did not show any differences based on their genders, ages, and educational levels when evaluating the school support system. 4. Student respondents' assessment of teaching competency. The overall data indicate that the student respondents rated the teacher's teaching competency highly positively. Feedback from the students indicated that they were satisfied with the overall effectiveness of their teacher's teaching, particularly in the area of teaching ethics, which topped all the indicators examined. Fifth, differences in the assessment of the student respondents on the teaching competency according to their demographic profile. According to the results, the evaluation of teaching competency did not show statistical differences in terms of gender and age. However, it showed differences in grade and school dimensions. In teaching practice, different grades have different needs for teaching style. Differences between schools are reasonable because their gaps in teaching quality and reputation do exist. Six, the relationship between teachers' teaching competency and the teaching support system of their school. The result indicated that the teachers' performance on different dimensions of teaching competency is closely related to the support system they received. This applied that a good teaching support system can effectively contribute to the professional development of teachers. The third part, conclusions. There is below about 5 aspects. First, teacher respondents were mostly male, as well as the student respondents. Second, the highly active feedback on teaching competency shows that teachers' professionalism and effective abilities are recognized by students. Third, the teaching support system can cover teachers of different backgrounds and needs in a balanced manner. Teachers can benefit from the school's support system, which is effective in helping them achieve better results. Fourth, the school's support system has led to significant progress in teaching skills and professional development. Effective teaching skills training, a sound teaching management system, rich career development opportunities, and working conditions and scientific performance intensive have formed an all-round support network to help teachers realize their maximum potential. Fifth, schools should pay more attention to the professional growth of teachers. It not only advantages the development of individual teachers, but also better serves the learning of students and the educational goals of the school. Next is the recommendations. First one, establish a comprehensive teacher training and development system. Second, improving the teacher management system. Third, enriching teacher resources and optimizing modern educational tools. 4. Promote cooperation and team building among teachers. 5th, strengthen teacher-student relationship and interaction. 5th, enhance teachers' sense of professional identity. 7th, regular evaluation and feedback loop mechanism. So, we can get a best practice instructional support system for teaching comprehension improvement. This is the model rationale. This research argues that the construction of a model framework is the key to improving teachers' comprehensive literature. The model organically combined the three dimensions of teacher growth, teaching environment, and teacher-student interaction. By continuously improving the teaching support system, the development of teacher competency can be continuously promoted. That's all. Thanks for your listening. Bye.